I have a very long but good quality long sleeve t-shirt. I want to crop it to a proper length. I don't have sewing machine, so we'll do it by hands. I need scissors, measuring tape, thread and needle. Now the t-shirt is 24 inches long and I want to crop it to 18 inches. So I will cut around 19 inches long. After cutting, it will expose a raw hem. Now I will use thread and needle to refine the hem. First, we'll use the blanket stitch to fix the raw hem. I link the tutorial video for blanket stitch in the description box. Please check down below. After finishing the raw hem, now I will sew the bottom of the t-shirt. I fold the bottom half inch wide 2 times so that I will reduce another inch from 19 to 18 inches long. And then I will use invisible stitch to hem the bottom of the t-shirt. Again, the tutorial video for this stitch will be linked down below. After finishing sewing the bottom of the t-shirt by invisible stitches, in front you will see only the needle hole, but the stitches all will be in the back. And last step is ironing to make the t-shirt look nice. Here is the final length after cropping and hand sewing. It's exactly 18 inches long. Here is the final result. From a long t-shirt to a crop one, it looks much more flattering to my proportion. I am very happy with the result. I will use this technique from now on to crop a lot of my thrifted t-shirts. They own very good quality but too long for me. It is a good way to upcycle our clothes. If you feel this video is helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.